Hello guys, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to install a WordPress theme and make it appear same like the demo. On the left side you guys can see appearance, themes. Click on themes. Now you guys can see add new button. Click on it and click on upload theme. Choose file and click your WordPress theme zip file. Install now. Installation template is gonna take a while. Okay, it's done. Click activate. Okay, you guys can see that our theme is already installed. Now click on WordPress theme and recommended actions. Okay, let's install demo importer. Okay, click activate. Okay, now you guys can see on your left side current theme. Click on start import. Okay, import now. Okay, it's installing. It's gonna take a while to load all these options. Okay, it's done. Import user, categories, tags, taxonomies, post and media. Okay guys, on the left hand side you guys can see these green ticks. So the importing process is already been completed. Now click all done and view site. Let's wait for the page to load. This is how our website is gonna appear once the installation is completed. So you guys can see that we have easily installed a WordPress theme for our website and our site is live. The best part of WordPress themes are that they are providing themes for free and for premium users. In our next video, we'll be sharing on how to install an e-commerce theme on WordPress with cash on delivery and some other payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe and more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Nick's Navid YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.